Hit for 6. Understanding this unique English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, hit for 6. This expression has interesting origins and a vivid metaphorical meaning. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in everyday English. Hit for 6 originates from the sport of cricket. In cricket, hitting the ball out of the field on a fly earns the batter 6 runs, the highest number of runs possible from a single hit. This action is both dramatic and game-changing. Therefore, the phrase, hit for 6, came to represent a powerful, impactful action. In everyday English, hit for 6 is used metaphorically. It means to be shocked, overwhelmed, or greatly affected by something. For example, if someone is hit for 6 by news, it means the news has a profound, surprising impact on them. It's often used to describe a situation where someone is taken aback or left feeling surprised and disoriented. Let's see how to use this phrase in context. The sudden cancellation of the event really hit me for 6. She was hit for 6 by the unexpected praise from her boss. These examples show how the phrase can convey a sense of being emotionally or mentally knocked off balance. Today, we explored the phrase, hit for 6. Remember, this phrase is a great way to describe situations where someone is deeply affected or surprised. It's a colorful expression that adds flair to your English. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this video helps you understand and use hit for 6 in your English conversations.